Hey YouTube, I wanted to do this unboxing video of the G430 from Logitech. And it's a surround sound gaming headset. This actually shows the retail on this. That's my kitty. Hey kitty. Is $59.99. Wow, you're loud today. Micro Center, bad price, $39.99. So on Amazon, actually the price was $39 and then I think they got out of stock, so now it went up to $50 again, or $60. The guy at Micro Center was kind of funny. He was really pushing for a warranty package, which he's like, yeah, well, there's a lot of things with this. The microphone could break. The earphones here have a thing. And I was like, so basically you're telling me it's a piece of crap. And he's like, no, it's, probably it's just a sales thing. I understand. They probably get a commission from it. Let's see what it says on the side. Convenient on-cable volume. Detachable adapter. On the back it has a little image of stuff, image of the product. It says folding noise canceling mic, micro anti-parasite, pliable. Oh, I get, okay. I guess you would have parasites when you speak? Wow, that's really weird. Performance sport cloth ear cups. I love reading this stuff because it's always the most stupid stuff on the back that they just gotta write something. It's just always so bad. Performance sport cloth ear cups are removable for cleaning. Well, that's good, I guess. Lightweight design lets you play comfortably for hours. That's what I really wanted too, because before I've been using these headphones for a long time. And they're very nice. They sound really good. These are old school AKG 240s. They make all different kinds of these, but these are very expensive. Actually, I think they might have gone down to $70. They were like $100, and they're just headphones. The sound quality is pretty good on them, but God, are they uncomfortable. This is hard plastic. Ow! And these things hardly give anything. I don't know if it's because they're like... These are from the 70s, actually. These were my aunt's. And I just like... They still work. I actually fixed it here. They had a connection issue. But hell, they still work. This is the Logitech G430. I'm going to open it. Convenient on-cable mic. We got that. New material only. QR code to learn more. Oh, the specs down here. I always like to look at the specs. I can't believe I didn't do that. So this says Windows 7, Windows 8. I know it works with Windows 10 though, because people have used it. Headphone drivers 40 millimeter, which they said is really good. It's bigger than most, I guess. 20 to 20 kilohertz. That's good. That's most of the sound range that you want and everything. Sensitivity 90 dBs. Okay. Ooh, it's an electret condenser. Interesting. It's a cardioid, unidirectional. Oh, so that's not the best, I don't think, because that means the sound goes everywhere. So that's kind of, it's better when it's a little more focused. Oh well. Headset, USB adapter, and 3-year warranty. Wowzer. Okay. Anyways, let me open this. So, open that up. Take this thing out. There's the box. Just has like a little thing here for it to show. Okay. Here's the plastic stuff. So it's a lot of plastic, and hopefully it just opens. No? Yes? Yes. Nice. Good job, Logitech. I like it when stuff is easy to open. That was easy. I had to cut this ahead of time so it wouldn't give me troubles when I recorded. Okay, instructions. Cool. Let's get rid of that now. Let's get rid of that. Okay, just kidding. Yeah, you could. The instructions, whatever. Compliance. Safety compliance. Don't give it to young children. Oh, wait. This is not intended for use by children under 14 years old. Wow, so I guess you shouldn't be under 14 and get this. Wow, I didn't know that. Jeez. Man, that's crazy. Okay. Surround sound gaming headset. So here it is. It's got all the stuff here. It's got English, French, oui, Espanol, especial. Done el queso. Okay, and then it's got volume controls. Pretty obvious. Plug it in. Go get the drivers, I guess, at this website. That's usually pretty easy. Start the G430 software. Oh my god. Okay. And then you volume and equalizer. Ooh, I'm liking this. Nice. Yeah, surround sound. You can adjust the parameters around your head. That's cool. Ear pad cleaning. Oh, this is important. I like to go over this stuff because then it helps you later and keep this thing longer when you know what the heck it's about and what they recommend. Removal. Remove them. Once removed, they can be washed in warm water. Aha. Press with soft towel to dry. Do not wring. Allow to air dry before reattaching. Okay. That's cool. And then I think it goes into French. That was it. All right. Ooh. Cool. So here's the mic. Actually, the product. Wow. Oh, I was wrong. There's a little difficult thing here. But that's okay. Get rid of that. Okay. Ooh, first off, look at this. Bum, 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 bum. Wow. So that's the USB sound card. And you can tell it's that because it's got this fancy stuff on it. Wow, look at that. USB adapter. It has input, output, model. It's got its model. Wonder how much this is on eBay. Wow. Okay. Anywho, so that I will use. Hello, kitty. Cordage. This cordage is not too bad. It's pretty thin though. That's pretty thin at least. The combined cords are decent. It's definitely not as thick as this. This is the AKG one. You can see. Oh no, this is like always out of focus. Okay, so this one is a little better. I mean, thicker. See? That's thicker for sure. And that is thinner. Okay. Kitty, you can't be in a video. Not this time. Here are... Hold on. I gotta get my kitty. Hey, kitty. Hey, kitty. Come here. Oh, you're on the TV. Hello, you're on YouTube. Hello, YouTube. Hello, YouTube. It's the kitty. It's Frankie. Say hi to Frankie. Hello, I'm Frankie. All right. He just wants some attention. Okay, back to it. So, here's the cordage. Wow, this is kind of tricky here. So, this is the microphone and the headphone jack. Analog, old school, analog stuff. This is a lot of cord, which is good. I mean, that's good to have a lot of cord. So I will probably at least try it because I've always used the analog. I'm so curious about this USB thing. I will probably use the USB, although I do really like my sound card. It's an Asus B350 gaming board, Realtek sound card that is pretty good. So I'll let you know what's better, USB or analog. Anyways, oh my, wow, this is bendy. Ooh, that thing, jeez. His ear goes like that. Oh, there's another one. My goodness. Hopefully, if there's any more, then I'd say it's annoying. But otherwise, it's fine. Okay, this is it. You know what? My first impression is it's kind of flimsy. Like, this is kind of flimsy to me. It sounds plasticky, maybe? Like, listen to that. Especially when I compare it to this, which I'm used to. Like, this, I mean, this feels pretty solid, I think. But, the AKG. But, this one is interesting. So it has really a lot of padding. Oh, it's still got the hard thing. Maybe that's just normal. But the padding's way more, so that could be better, I hope. Oh, that's a nice mic. Ooh, it's bendy. Yeah, that's bendy. Wow. My cat really wants attention. It's Brinket stuff. He does that. Cats do that. You'll randomly hear things fall. That means they want attention. Alright, I'll be there soon. So, that's it. I'm going to try it on and, see how it goes and all that. But thanks for watching. That was the unboxing of the Logitech G430. I have to go pay attention to my cat. Alright, have a good one. Bye-bye.